This is Technology and Leadership presenting to you a series of video tutorials on Ruby on Rails. This video presents to you the creation of a Rails application brought to you by technologyandleadership.com. One of the many advantages of the Rails application is that it immediately gets you from zero to a functional application. To get started, let's create a directory for our Rails project. I'm going to name the directory as Rails project. Now open the Ruby command prompt and navigate to the directory that we just created. To make your first application, run the Rails new command followed by the name of your first application. I'm going to name the first Rails application as first. Rails new is a program to create a skeleton Rails application. It creates a standard directory and file structure that makes it easier than ever to organize and deploy files. All the Rails applications have a common file and directory structure that makes it very easy to understand someone else's code. As you could notice, after the file creation is done, Rails automatically runs the bundle install or the bundler command at the end of the file creation. Let's learn more about the bundle install later in this tutorial. Now let's have a quick snapshot into the files and directories that have been just created. The app folder contains the core application code, including the models, views, and the controllers. Model view controller is a very important part of the Rails architecture that we'll be learning in the later tutorials. Vendor contains the third-party code such as plugins or gems. ScriptRail is a script to generate code or start the local server. Gem file is a very important part of the Rails application. Let's learn the gem file in depth. So the gem file contains the gem requirements or the gems needed by your application. 2 seconds earlier we just saw the bundle install. So the bundle looks for the gems to be installed from the gem file. Let me open the gem file. So here are the contents of the gem file. So the bundle install will look for the gems to be installed for your application from this file. Here is a gem for the Rails itself, and here SQLite tree is a gem for the Ruby interface to the SQLite database, and here you could see the gem for the jQuery JavaScript library. As you could notice, for the Rails for the gem, the version is specified. Unless we explicitly specify the version, bundle install will automatically deploy or install the latest version of the gem. Here we specify the version as 3.2.8 and bundle install installs that specific version of the Rails gem. That's all about the Ruby on Rails application created. Thank you for joining us on technologyandleadership.com.